how to download a video on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download a video on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to download a video on YouTube, first of all you have to understand that not all the videos are actually downloadable. So you can actually open up YouTube here, and once you open up YouTube you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is, let's say you want to download a certain video, you just select that video here and just scroll over here. At the bottom you'll find the option called download, so you can tap the download option here and then just go ahead and then download it. Now if you have premium you should be able to download almost any videos, but what happens is that if it is a song that maybe someone has licensed it, in that case you will not be able to download it. So this way you'll be able to download a video on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.